Majority of ERP implementation strategies cost more than expected, take longer to fully implement, and encounter material operation disruptions even after going live. On the other hand, there are also companies that have seen smooth ERP implementations. What differentiates the two is adopting a strategic approach that helps organizations avoid the major pitfalls. Let's take a look at a few effective techniques that can help your business undergo a smooth ERP implementation process. Develop an effective change management strategy for a successful implementation. Involve employees and take their opinion on system setup, information distribution, and process changes. Avoid rushing the completion of project under inadequate budget or time frame, and always have realistic expectations or the organization's management will suffer. Because ERP implementations bring significant business transformations, you need to adopt strong project governance to reflect the organization's unique needs. If you are searching for open-source ERP solutions and consultancy services, connect with OpenPro. Our professionals have over 20 years of experience when it comes to ERP implementations and help businesses gain access to all the benefits ERP solutions have to offer. Contact us for details. Call 714-378-4600 or visit www.openpro.com.